Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make moon wallpaper train. So we have to search for images of the moon on Google. Okay, you can select two different images and click save image. Next, go to insert apps, click collage and choose two images of the moon. Click OK and change the canvas with 9 to 16, and we can adjust for the images to minimize like this. Change the background with black color. Click OK. Okay, like this. So this is video how to make moon wallpaper train. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.